Okay, so I had an idea for plants, like if you're growing like a bunch of seedlings or just you're gardening and stuff. So a lot of printing companies, they throw out like rolls like this, like they're big, thick rolls of like, it's basically like a gigantic paper towel roll at the end. And I've seen ones that are, anywhere from from this size, which is like 4 or 5 inches, to like 13 inches. I think I've seen the rolls. Anyway, so you cut them up like this, right? And then I guess you could like either probably just leave them like that even, or put like some paper or just tape the bottom, and then you can just cut them up, right? And then you got a whole bunch of starter pots for your seeds.